Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a crypto wallet on a USB drive. First, understand that a USB wallet is a form of cold storage, offering enhanced security for your digital assets. We will cover selecting the right software, preparing your USB, and essential security practices. This guide helps you create a robust, offline solution for managing your cryptocurrency, minimizing risks associated with online exposure. Let's get started with securing your digital wealth. Choosing the right wallet software is your first critical step. Look for open-source options known for their security and community support, such as Electrum for Bitcoin or My Ether wallet for Ethereum. Always download the software directly from the official developer's website to avoid malicious versions. Double-check the URL and any security certificates. This careful selection ensures your wallet's integrity and protects your funds from potential vulnerabilities. Now, let's prepare your USB drive. Start with a new, high-quality USB 3.0 drive, ideally with at least 16 gigabytes of storage. Format it to a secure file system like XFAT or NTFS. Crucially, encrypt the entire USB drive using robust encryption software, setting a very strong password. Consider creating a dedicated, hidden partition for your wallet files. This multi-layered approach significantly enhances the physical security of your crypto assets. Maintaining security is paramount. Always use a strong, unique password for your encrypted USB drive, combining uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Crucially, back up your wallet seed phrase or private keys offline, storing them in at least 2 separate, secure physical locations. Never, under any circumstances, connect your crypto wallet USB to public or untrusted computers. Regularly update your wallet software and operating system to benefit from the latest security patches. Stay vigilant to protect your investments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.